morning. 3. Demi, day?
Day 3.
3? Yeah, I'm sure I was in
Day 3.
here.
Big boy chops.
Gonna have breakfast, and then
Just
we're
gonna
going
use
to the
your fingers.
aquarium. And then...
Where?
Down there, on your right side.
Yeah.
Titanic.
Hello everyone! Join us on our day 3. Grabe, day 3 na nga. Ang bilis-bilis pag nagbabakasyon. So, we're here now in the Lions Gate Bridge. Ito lagi napapas namin
This one has little
going
strings.
to Vancouver.
Ito ba yung nakita natin?
Stayed in Vancouver, North Vancouver.
Do you see?
Please enjoy the views going to the aquarium.
This one?
Grabe yung city to. Ang malaki siyang city. But inside, there's lots of trees, lots of nature.
Oh, later.
May nakita pa kami one time na deer dito. Downside lang, may bayad lagi ang parking. Here, it's $13 for 3 hours or $16 until 11 p.m. So, $16 na binayaran namin. Ito na nga, papasok na nga kami sa aquarium. So, here you can take photos. So, after,
Good job.
papalitin nila yung background. Then, at the end, pwede mong i-purchase for souvenir.
Ang dami!
We started our trip dito sa mga amphibians and reptiles. So, makikita ka ng mga turtles. There's a sloth. Snakes. Mga iguana at kung anong lizard.
Amphibian called Sicilian.
Why are the eyes red? That is fish. Hey, looks like you're inside.
Highly recommended nga tong place na to since ang dami mong magagawa throughout the day. Pagod na pagod kaming matatanda. Yung mga bata takbo na ng takbo. But we all had fun.
Hi.
May schedule rin sila ng shows for feeding. Like for sea lions, sea otters, sharks.
Dami.
Also may mga 4D shows. And may isang VR show that you have to pay for.
Big. Oh, let me there's the.
How about you go inside?
Let me go. You see that yellow white thing? That's the one on the side. Did you see that rainbow fish?
Oh wow, that one's.
Oh, that's rainbow. Yeah, there's a rainbow fish. What rainbow fish? Oh, that one? Yeah, that's the rainbow fish is my favorite. I like the rainbow fish. What's your favorite fish? My favorite fish is the rainbow.
Oh, look at the frogs. Do you guys see the frogs? Those greenish. Meron pa baba ito. Hindi maganda yun. Naka-upside.
Ito, nandito na kami sa ground floor where you can see different fishes or on the different oceans in Pacific, Atlantic, tsaka yung around Canada din. Buti na lang talaga, nagpunta kami weekdays. Grabe, ang daming tao. which is good. But imagine if we go on a weekend. Sobrang dami. But still, it's worth your time to visit. Ang tagal nang nire-request sa amin ni Demi to. So, yan. Pagbigyan na namin siya for today.
Oh, Demi.
Not starfish.
Jellyfish.
These are the stingless ones, right?
Demi.
One of them lost their baby. Maybe.
Ito, enjoy nyo na nga lang yung trip namin. At pasensya nyo na yung mga sumisigaw ng mga bata. Hihinaan ko na lang talaga ng buo. Promise.
That's Nemo.
The orange one.
That's Dory.
Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming.
I think may parang ganito dun sa Manila, which is Manila Ocean Park. I haven't been, but siguro on our next trip to the Philippines, we will go. Kasi nga, na-enjoy talaga ni Demi.
Yes, please.
Ito na nga, mauubusan na ako ng memory. So, come and join us on the next video. See you guys soon. Bye!